Welcome to Toy Town. Nurse Pip is here to unbox a special surprise. What could it be? Let's dive in. Watch closely as the box ribbon pops open and the lid flies off, revealing shiny parts ready for action. Wow, look at that, toy explorers. Nurse Pip has just unboxed a brand new toy. What a beautiful, shiny red fire truck. Friends, what color is our new toy fire truck? Yes, it is red. Let's see what it can do. Oh no! The siren makes a very low static buzzing sound. Something is wrong with our new red truck. Too quiet, too quiet. We need to fix the broken sound, and only the bravest doctor can help. Look. Why is the truck so quiet? Yes, because the battery compartment is empty. We need to load the magic sound batteries. Let's find the magic red batteries to make it noisy. Let's count the red batteries as Sam loads them in. 1, 2, 3. And the last ones, 4 and 5. 5 magic batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks of power. No longer quiet. Hear the sound. Wow. Is the fire truck quiet now? No. It is wonderfully noisy and ready for rescue. The sun has set on the toy hospital. It's time to sleep, and our first toy repair is complete. The little doctor rests so slow underneath the moon's soft glow. Good night, clinic. Good night, toys. Sweet dreams, brave little helpers. Good night, happy little helpers. Sweet dreams. Good night. Did you help us unbox the truck? You are a super helper.